Cybersecurity companies are facing fast-moving and complex threats due to factors including AI and geopolitical and financial forces requiring rapid responses. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Current testing and deployment processes need to be overhauled to handle the new cybersecurity challenges effectively. Cyber adversaries are increasingly using AI to launch sophisticated attacks such as automated phishing schemes, advanced malware, and deepfake technologies. Conversely, AI is also being utilized by cybersecurity firms to enhance threat detection, automate response strategies, and predict potential vulnerabilities. Secondly, global conflicts and economic pressure are creating new opportunities for cyber attacks. Traditional testing and deployment methods are insufficient to address the evolving threat landscape. Despite the challenges, there is a positive long-term outlook for the cybersecurity field. The CrowdStrike disruption underscores the need for robust deployment practices, comprehensive testing, and effective configuration management. However, the overreaching issues of complexity, the need for rapid deployment, the evolving threat landscape, and third party integrations are equally critical. Many corporates are exploring the on prime solution deployment. Cybersecurity companies are facing increasingly complex and fast evolving threats driven by artificial intelligence and financial motivations. These factors are accelerating the pace of threat innovation, compelling defensive companies to enhance their response strategies rapidly. Moving forward, there is need for swift action that has significant implications for testing and deployment processes, which must be designed to keep pace with these emerging technologies. Let's look into today's headlines. Modi 3.0 set to table its first budget tomorrow. The full budget for 2024-25 and the first under the Modi 3.0 government will be tabled in Parliament tomorrow, Tuesday. All eyes are on the major announcements to be made by the Finance Minister and the government's forward-looking guidance about the overall economy. With this upcoming budget presentation, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will be presenting her seventh one. The budget session of Parliament will begin on 22nd July and according to the schedule will end on 12th August. Joe Biden opts out of US presidential race, endorses Indian origin Kamala Harris. US President Joe Biden has opted out of the presidential race on Sunday and has endorsed Vice President Kamala Harris as the presidential nominee of the Democratic Party. Biden has ended his re-election bid after a recent disastrous debate with Donald Trump that raised doubts about Biden's fitness for office. The president called upon this party to unite behind Harris. The vice president praised Biden's selfless and patriotic act and said she intends to earn and win her party's nomination. Notably, if Biden's endorsement is accepted, Kamala Harris will become the first Indian origin woman to contest the US presidential elections. Netscope integrates with OpenAI's ChatGPT Enterprise. Netscope has announced an integration with OpenAI's ChatGPT Enterprise Compliance API to deliver API-enabled controls that bolster security and compliance for enterprise organizations using generative AI applications. The Netscope One platform, through this integration with the ChatGPT Enterprise, will provide organizations with enhanced security features including application visibility, robust policy enforcement, advanced data security, and comprehensive security posture management. ARPU of leading telcos set to excel by 225 rupees per user due to tariff hike. The average revenue per user ARPU of telecom companies is set to excel by 225 rupees by final year 26 due to successive tariff hikes. The ARPU growth of leading telecom companies like Airtel, Jio will occur gradually over the current and next calendar years as these hikes take effect mainly in the prepaid market. The growth in ARPU is expected to build up telecom companies' credit profiles by boosting profitability and reducing capital expenditure. CRPF flags cybersecurity agencies of inappropriate content appearing when searched on X. The Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) has informed the Indian cybersecurity agencies about instances of some inappropriate content popping up on social media platform X when its abbreviated name was searched on the platform. Official sources say the search results on the popular platform pertain to sexually explicit images and links. According to a source, the inappropriate content was being noticed when the abbreviated versions of the force is searched on X. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.